shows the specific parameters of the Univex mathematical dual token framework. The primary medium of exchange is the UVX ecosystem utility token, capped at a fixed supply of 12 billion and distributed via daily application mining. Network consensus is managed by a distinct asset, the Univex governance token, strictly capped at 1.5 billion supply and released only under institutional vesting schedules. Separating the high-velocity daily utility metrics from the low-velocity long-term network governance metrics insulates the platform. Market volatility in the utility token does not compromise the security or voting mechanisms of the governance structure. The network utilizes an algorithmic token burn as its primary deflationary loop. A percentage of network fees from the internal swap pool are programmatically routed to a verifiable dead wallet contract. Simultaneously, a percentage of transaction settlements processed via the Univex Visa card are routed into that same dead wallet. This programmatic routing ensures that a portion of the tokens used in every major economic action are permanently removed from the circulating supply. Forcing the token supply to contract as network transaction volume scales creates a direct mathematical link between ecosystem activity and scarcity. Securing the token supply also requires an automated defense against market exploitation. Reward economies are highly vulnerable to automated bots, farming syndicates, and fake referral creation, all of which can rapidly drain a protocol's liquidity. Univex counters this using a proof of engagement verification model. Proof of engagement continuously monitors the active network node count, automatically adjusting the mining difficulty parameters based on real-time activity. This dynamic scaling guarantees that even if malicious actors deploy scripts to flood the network, the system instantly tightens the emission rate, preventing exploitative token creation. The system applies a similar stricture to user acquisition through the active ambassador threshold. In the interlinked referral tiers, a referred user remains inactive until they independently hit a required baseline of participant points. Until they prove real engagement, they generate 0 rewards for the inviter. Tying network emission directly to verified baseline physical engagement mathematically neutralizes the profitability of script-based Sybil attacks. This timeline illustrates the deployment schedule for this unified economic engine across 2026 and 2027. Phase 1 establishes the foundation with the MVP deployment of the super app and the activation of the peer-to-peer referral architecture. By Phase 4, the protocol executes an audited migration of all mobile mining balances onto the official mainnet, concurrent with the commercial shipping of physical and virtual Visa cards. Phase 5 secures institutional liquidity through strategic Tier 1 centralized exchange listings for both the utility and governance tokens. The final roadmap state transitions the entire ecosystem into a fully decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. At this stage, Univex government's token holders execute on-chain smart voting to determine core transaction fee structures, strategic token burns, and ecosystem development grants. The system evolves entirely from a centrally managed mobile application into a completely autonomous global digital payment gateway. The Univex architecture provides a technical bridge between decentralized incentives and global retail spending, turning digital engagement into verifiable purchasing power.